Hey Waffle Cones, it's me, WaffleCone8, and today, sorry if I sound a little weird. I think I just woke up basically, so my voice will probably sound just a little bit, waking up voice, I don't know. But today I am playing Don't Touch the Button 4. So let's begin. Also, sorry if I didn't post for a long time. I'm just never to do. I don't know. I just never do it. I die. So yes. Anywho, I think I'm gonna be pretty bad at this game. To be honest, it's basically most of it is parkour, and I'm not that great at parkour. But yeah, also guys, leave in the comments down below what I should do for our next video, because I don't really know what to do. Anyway, this is a maze. I did this one before, but I just because I just wanted to record the video, so I didn't really do it. But it's not over here, I think. Have you guys ever tried this game? Maybe. Are you a pro at it if you have tried it? This is maybe my second time trying it, but I didn't really do it. That time it was more me just checking it out. Oh, look it! This is who presses all the buttons. Let's see. Oh. I was just realizing what we had to do, and I couldn't press one. Whoops. Okay. Acid is spray. Oh! Man, I am bad at this game. I'm going to pause the video so you guys don't have to see me fail. Okay, I think I can win this one. It's gotta go fast, and it's just you running really fast. So I'm sure I can do this one. Run. I've actually done this one before, and you just have to run around. And if you don't, you probably die. Or if you go really slow. But yes. So as I said, leave in the comments down below what video I should do next. Okay, this one was pretty easy. I think I need a challenge. Well, not really, because all the ones I've done, they were first. Oh no! Oh no! I can do this. I did it! I'm going out in here. Hopefully that's safe, even though I don't think it would be safe, but we're gonna see. Oh yes, I made it. Okay, I'm getting better at this game. Yes, that's all. Yeah. Okay, this one. Oh no, I can't do this one. I can, but I just don't like these. These are so hard. Well, maybe they're not hard, but they're just terrifying, kind of. I don't know. But we did it. I want to click it. People stop. I want to click it. Yes, I did it. I did it. Oh, no. But I did it. No. Please don't kill me. Okay, we're good. We're super good. Oh, okay. Oh, no. As I said about about me getting better. Oh, wait, we can still do it. Oh, I think it's just for fun. Okay, that makes sense. Oh, so probably the rainbow thing. The running fast with the rainbow trail. I guess that wasn't really, you're not supposed to die. It's supposed to have fun. Ooh, I want to click it. Okay. Oh, this, I keep forgetting. No, I accidentally clicked something. Ah, okay. Wait, I still have it. Ah, kill you. Okay, that one I'm not. Click it. Ah, okay. Get to the water. Wait, where's the water? Wait. Oh, there it is. This is button presser. Spleef? What? I have no idea what that means. I think it means run away. But I don't know, okay? I have no idea. No, I don't want the gravity coil. Okay, so we are supposed to watch out, I think, because it says watch out. Oh, it's this one again. Okay. Wait, okay, that one is kind of confusing. Fight! Get my guns. I think I'm gonna be good at this one. Hopefully. No! So bad at this. Well, guys, that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will make more videos. I just want to know what you guys want me to do, because I didn't really want to do. But I hope you enjoyed this fun video.